That is called eyelid twitching or myokemia. Nagkakaroon ng involuntary spasm sa iyong eyelid. At maaari itong maranasan sa upper eyelid or lower eyelid. Ang muscle na nagkakaroon ng involuntary repetitive spasm ay ang orbicularis oculi. Ang main function nito is to close the eyelids. Common ang pagkakaroon ng eyelid twitching at maaaring mangyari ito kung ikaw ay stressed, marami ka nang nainom na caffeinated beverages, kulang ka sa tulog at lagi kang puyat, eye strain due to use of gadgets, dry eyes, allergies, low magnesium levels, paninigarilyo, pag-inom ng alak, at pag-take ng certain medications. Kung ikaw ay nakaka-experience ng myokemia, number 1 is to get enough rest. Avoid caffeinated beverages. Iwasan muna ang stress. Makakatulong din ang eye drops if you have dry eyes. Bawasan muna ang paggamit ng gadgets. You can also apply warm compress and gently massage the eyelids. At kung ikaw ay nakakaranas ng eyelid twitching sa matagal ng panahon, consult your doctor for further evaluation and management. Okay? Mag-ingat po kayo parate. I'm Dr. Lian. Follow for more health tips.